Welcome to this short video where we'll explore how NetSupport's products help with your compliance with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, commonly known as COPPA. What is COPPA? Well, the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act is a US federal law that places strict rules on operators of websites, apps, and online services. It is designed to protect the personal information of children under the age of 13. The Federal Trade Commission can take legal action against service providers who fail to comply. Key requirements of COPPA require parental consent, so operators must obtain verifiable parental consent before collecting any personal information from a child. A privacy policy needs to be in place, so businesses, companies need to post a clear, comprehensive, and easy to find online privacy policy describing their information practices. And operators must also establish and maintain reasonable procedures to protect the confidentiality, security, and integrity of personal information collected from children. The challenge for schools is clear. While COPPA applies directly to online service operators, schools often have to act as the agent for parents in the educational context. This means schools have a responsibility to authorize and manage the use of educational software that collects student data. The challenge is to select technology partners who take these data privacy obligations seriously, helping the school meet its duty of care, like NetSupport. NetSupport helps schools meet COPPA requirements in lots of ways. Our solutions are designed with data privacy at its heart through an approach known as privacy by design. This gives schools control and transparency over student data. Our approach helps schools ensure that any data collected for educational purposes is handled responsibly and securely in line with the principles of COPPA. Classroom.cloud, real-time teaching and safeguarding solution from NetSupport, guides learning with real-time screen visibility, where educators can manage online activity by restricting access to websites and applications, and they can identify students at risk with keyword and phrase monitoring that generates alerts for safeguarding staff. So how does Classroom.cloud address COPPA? Well, as a cloud-based platform, Classroom.cloud has robust built-in protections for students' personal information. Our public-facing data processing agreement clearly outlines how student personally identifiable information is handled, supporting the transparency requirements of COPPA. Access to student data is controlled by the school, ensuring only appropriate staff can view it. NetSupport School, which has focused classroom instruction functionality at its heart, helps educators easily monitor all student screens simultaneously to keep learning focused and on track, control access to web content, applications, and chat during lessons, and reinforce positive digital citizenship by responding immediately to behaviour during lessons. NetSupport School addresses COPPA as a fully on-premise solution, so all student data remains within the school's or district's own network. The school maintains complete control over its data boundaries, ensuring information never leaves a secure school or district's environment. And NetSupport does not collect, store, or have any access to student data or personally identifiable information from the product, supporting COPPA's data security principles. NetSupport DNA, our centralized IT and safeguarding solution, helps by providing IT teams with tools for internet metering and application monitoring. It uses keyword monitoring to identify safeguarding concerns across the network, and it maintains accountability with detailed audit trails and reporting. It helps address COPPA as another on-premise solution. NetSupport DNA gives schools and districts full control over where all monitored data is stored. Role-based access controls ensure only authorized staff can view sensitive information. And NetSupport does not collect, store, or access any student personally identifiable information, ensuring all data remains secure and private within the school's network. Built for education and trusted by schools, our products are co-constructed with educators, and our solutions are trusted by schools and districts across the United States, demonstrated by our huge user base with many millions of users. Across the suite, our products have earned numerous accolades, including the Tech and Learning Awards of Excellence and the EdTech Digest Cool Tool Awards. Furthermore, Classroom.cloud's educational focus is confirmed by its prestigious ISTE Seal of Alignment, recognising its support for responsible and effective digital learning. If you're keen to learn more, visit netsupport-inc.com/supporting-COPPA, where you can book a demo and start a free trial, or you can reach out to our team and find out how we can help your district or school meet its data privacy obligations. So why don't you head over to our award-winning software website today?